This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by Brian Southwick. Quintessential Birch Bay Cottage in great location. 3 bedrooms, 1.75 baths, natural gas, carport with storage. Easy lawn maintenance with no grass. Clean, neat and a warm feeling of a Birch Bay serenade greets you when you visit this cottage first time and every time. Turnkey, as most furnishings stay at no cost. Complete with covered and uncovered patio areas front and back. One of on a few homes with natural gas. Fireplace insert with blower. 3 ceiling fans. A must-see. 1 minute to beach and sea shop. For more information, review the details below.